Hey everyone, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we will be unboxing a new NERF gun right here. So there we go, with our brand new NERF gun right here. This is the NERF Elite 2.0 Shockwave RD-15 right here. So as you can see, we have our NERF logo right here. And this one comes with 30x Elite NERF darts right there. Of course, this is for ages 8 and up. And this one also comes with a 15 dart rotating drum right here. So of course, we have our Hasbro branding right here on the corner, right there. So on the back, so that's how our NERF gun looks like right there. So you see the color scheme, right? This is on the same category or on the same line as our Phoenix CS-6.
Perfect.
So you can see we have stock attachment points right here. We have 3 available rails for us for upgrades. We have a barrel attachment point right here, also for upgrades. So that's how our NERF gun looks like right there. So let us continue with our unboxing. So here's what we got from our box right there. We have some user manual right here for our Shockwave RD-15 right there. We also have our 15 dart rotating drum right here. And here is our 30x Elite NERF darts right here. And here is our actual NERF gun right here. This is the NERF Elite 2.0 Shockwave RD-15 right here. So this part right here is really not a second 15 dart rotating drum. This is just some cardboard right there just to look pretty on the box. So there's the Elite 2.0 branding right here. We also have the NERF branding right there. We have a stock attachment option right here on the back, right there. So that is for future upgrades. So we have our gun grip right here and our gray trigger right there. So of course, there's also a Shockwave branding on the middle part of our NERF gun right there. Here on top, you can see the available rails that we have. We have one right here on the back part of our NERF gun, and we also have one here on the front. The third one is underneath our NERF gun. It's right here, just below where we would be putting our 15 dart rotating drum right there. So that's our third rail right there. So this NERF gun is a pump action NERF gun. This is how we prime our Shockwave RD-15 right here. So we pump this, we pull this back like so. This handle right here to prime our NERF gun right here. On the front, you would see the barrel right there. There's also an option right there to extend the barrel right there. Okay, so now we get to load our 15 dart rotating drum right here with 15 of our Elite NERF darts, which we will be putting on each one of these slots right there. So included on the package is 30 Elite NERF darts right here. So now we will be attaching this rotating drum to our actual NERF gun. So let's do that right now. So on the back of our 15 dart rotating drum right here, there's a slot right there. So as you can see, that is where we would be inserting our 15 dart rotating drum. That is the same size as the slot on the back of our 15 dart rotating drum right here. So that is where we would be lining it up. So unfortunately, which we have already loaded our rotating drum right here, but it would not fit our slot right here. So apparently you need to insert the drum first on the NERF gun right there, and then you load the rotating drum right here. Remember that when you assemble the NERF Shockwave RD-15 right here, assemble the rotating drum first before you reload the darts. So when you hear that sound, that means that the rotating drum right here is properly connected to our NERF Shockwave RD-15 right here. All that's left to do is to arm our NERF gun, right? Grab our handle right here and pull it into our rotating drum right there. That motion right there, when we pull this lever right here onto the center of our NERF gun right here, it would rotate our rotating drum right there, hence aligning one of the darts right there in the middle, ready to launch. So this is the handle right here. So you just pull it towards the middle of the NERF gun like so. Ready? So there you go. You saw that this rotating drum has lined up one of our darts right there, ready for firing, right? So this one right here is loaded and primed. All we need to do is to pull on our trigger right here to launch our projectile dart, like so. Ready? And there we go. All you need to do is repeat that same motion to prime the gun every time you are about to fire. So like so. And fire. Ready? One more. So that's how our NERF Shockwave RD-15 works right here. And that's how you launch our Elite NERF darts from our NERF gun right here. So now all we have to do is test this one on our usual targets. So let's go and do our firing session right now. So there you go, guys. That is our NERF Shockwave RD-15 right there.
Perfect.
That was a really great firing session right there. I think this packs a punch right here in terms of launching those darts because of the way that we are pumping it through the system right there. I really like that way how we... So it's a different sensation when you use a motorized blaster and a pump action one. So I like motorized blasters, but I also like this pump action ones too. So that was really fun, pumping it and then firing the NERF darts right there on our targets. It was really a lot of fun for me. And this one is also a big gun right here. This would be more or less 20 inches right there. So this is a long pump action NERF gun right here. The assembly of the rotating drum was a breeze. We might have overstepped by loading our darts first before we assemble it on our middle part right there, but we were able to attach it properly and we were able to make it work. So this is a lot of fun. I like this NERF gun right there. This is a brand new NERF gun right here for Abner's reviews. It really looks good, and I think future upgrades are coming up for this one as well. As you know, that's what we do on our channel, right? So there you go, guys. Hope you like our NERF gun for today. This is the NERF Shockwave RD-15 right there. So which NERF guns do you use, guys? Which ones do you have on your collection? And which ones are your favorite? Please share with us, guys, and comment it down below. So please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link right here and on our video description. So do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our brand new NERF gun reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.